Hi, I'm Kerry Hartwig with Sukup Manufacturing Company. Welcome back to our dryer service educational video series. Today we're going to talk about downloading software and installing it onto your USB stick for QuadraTouch Classic control systems. Okay, we're here at our computer and we've gone to www.sukup.com and we're going to go to Products, come over here and find grain dryers, click on that. And then we'll scroll down and we're going to find QuadraTouch Pro downloads. So we are looking for QuadraTouch Classic or the original QuadraTouch system to pick which one. Now sometimes this takes a few seconds to load the page. And notice the first one is QuadraTouch Pro. We want to scroll past that. Here is QuadraTouch 2009 to 14. So notice we have 1 to 6 fan 2.64. This is for the F60337X moisture sensor. If you have one of the newer modular style moisture sensors, we're going to want to come down to this menu and we have a choice of version 3.20 or 3.22. Now if you need one of the different languages, you can find that. Otherwise we're going to find the English only version, which will be the smallest file size. We can also go down and we can find the QuadraTouch update instructions here. Recommend clicking on that. It's going to open in a new tab in my case here. And once that's open, I'd recommend that you find the print icon on your browser and print that off so you have written instructions to go by as you go through this process. So back to our download page, we're going to come up, in this case we're going to download a 1 to 6 fan version 3.22 English language only zip file. So I am going to right click on that and I'm going to hit Save Target As. And I want to make sure I'm saving it on my desktop so I can find it. Now if you like to save stuff in a different folder, that's fine. Otherwise I recommend putting it on your desktop and make it easier to find. So we'll go ahead and hit Save. And notice it didn't take very long at all. It's finished downloading. If I minimize this window, I've actually got it right here. So notice that this folder has a zipper on it, and that means it is a compressed or a zip folder. It's very, very important to right click on this and extract it or unzip the folder. And then notice it's going to put it on my desktop in the same place, so I'll go ahead and hit extract. And it unzipped very quickly. And notice it put another folder on my desktop with exactly the same name, only it doesn't have a zipper on it. So I would recommend that as soon as you get that extracted to go back to your zipped folder, right click on it and delete it. That way there's no chance we put the wrong files on our USB stick. If we open this up, notice we've got 3 folders: PLC data, PLC firmware, PRJ001, a boot file, and a mem file here. And I've got my USB stick inserted in this computer as USB drive E. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to put open in new window. Okay, so we've got our folder open. We have the folders PLC data, PLC firmware, PRJ001, a boot file, and a mem file. I need to highlight all 5 of those, right click on it, hit copy, come over to my USB drive, and notice it's an empty USB drive. I'm going to right click in the white area and hit paste. And again, really important to make sure we're doing this from the extracted folder and we've thrown the zip folder away so we can't make a mistake. You can actually open that zip folder, copy and paste these files onto your USB stick. It'll look like it works. You drive out to the dryer or go out to the dryer to install it and it will not work. So very important that we make sure we're using the extracted folder and we get all 5 of these files on the root level or the top level of the USB stick. Remember, this video and more can be found on our website, www.sukup.com, or on our YouTube channel, Sukup MFG.